Hello again, and another myth we would like to bust right now. People believe that it's impossible to learn a language without a teacher or a school. And this is probably the most untrue of all of them, because we can see now with the development of internet and with easier travel how people easily learn languages without any professional help. Yes, it's good if you need it, but if you don't, please don't feel bad about it, and don't just do it because everybody does it. Let's think about the function of a teacher. Traditionally, teacher was this authority figure who knew all the answers, provided big vision, and gave you support you needed when you were not feeling it was going well enough. First, teachers don't have all the answers anymore. Now you can easily get your questions answered with the help of Quora, for example. You can Google it, you can find this information, Wikipedia, on YouTube and whatever. Generally, if you collect your resources carefully, maybe a teacher will not be so necessary to you as it used to be. If we talk about vision, yes, sometimes it's very good to hear the professional opinion about what the levels exist, for example, yes, and how to achieve this or that or that. They usually give you a bigger picture, but if you need this information, if you need this consultation, it doesn't mean that you need to spend years with this teacher to progress in the language. Well, with support it is very easy because people choose to study languages together. We have exchange groups, we have tandem groups, we have various cooperations between language learners, yes, forums, conferences, and everything which is connected here. So yes, sometimes the support of somebody who's helping you with your learning is necessary, but sometimes it can be maybe not so productive as we think. Yeah, because people come to me and tell me a lot of stories about unsuccessful cooperation. I think it happens partly due to the reasons that people come to a teacher and give them all the responsibility. I mean, they don't formulate their goals clearly for themselves, and they are not in control of their language learning process, so to say. So it's like, I have this teacher, I pay him money, I will have results. And this is the most stupid thing you could hear, really. I mean, I will not be able to take a part of my brain and put it into yours. I will only help you when you are ready to accept my help, which is support, vision, whatever you need from me. We will be talking further about the difference between native and non-native teachers, for example, if you ever decide to use the help of any. But for now, I would really like to emphasize that the role of a teacher in the modern world has changed. Now we are consultants more than the authority figures, because yes, we still see a bigger picture and we can help you with your direction, but it could be short-term contracts, which I really believe in. So if you have this particular problem which you need to solve fast, you come to a teacher and solve it. After that, you go on, you move on with your new goals. But it doesn't mean that you need this long, never-ending, absolutely boring course with, for example, with an individual tutor. And please don't get me wrong. I'm not saying to you, well, never work with a teacher again. Don't trust them, yeah? Just learn everything yourself. No, I hire a teacher from time to time for some particular reason. Yeah, so I need some speaking practice, I want my questions answered, and websites like Wordling or italki make it easy to find people from different locations, yeah, with different teaching styles, and this is a great additional resource which you can add to your learning plan. In general, be very clever about everything you do, and don't think that the responsibility for the result of your learning is on anybody else but you. It's not a strong responsibility, believe me, but you need to understand what you want. This is as simple as that. And we will talk about that in more detail in the next course of this series, which I, of course, welcome you to join. Thank you and see you.